A very good morning, a fresh morning, fresh week, right? Okay, before we start today's class, I really want to know how many of you have made a car out of old matchbox? What? Yes, I've also made a car. Yes, by God, I'll show you once school reopens. Okay, this is my promise to you. I have also made a car, small car, out of my old matchbox. I'm sure many of you have done it, you have made it. Excellent, amazing children. Now, this is my promise to you. Once school will reopen, I would like to see your small crafts, whatever you do in your EVS periods. Okay, so here we begin with our EVS class for today. Okay, children, as you all know that we are doing our chapter number 19, our transport. In this series, we have already done two types of transports, roadways and railways. Today we are going to do waterways. Right. So water transport is a process of transport a watercraft such as boat, ship, sailboat over a body of water such as sea, ocean, lake, river, etc. भाई बोट चलेगी कहाँ पर? रोड पे तो चल नहीं सकती है और एयर में भी नहीं चलेगी तो बोट कहाँ चलेगी? बोट चलेगी बेटा या तो सी में या फिर रिवर में. हम्म So, we are going to discuss about this type of transport today in the class. So, children, this is a scanned page for your reference. As you all know that if you have your own books, please open this. This is page number 111. And if you do not have your own copies, no problem. You have this scanned sheet. So, again, your eyes and index finger is on the page. Right. I'm going to read it for you and will explain you with this. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Wow. So, in roadways, railways, airways, and waterways, the waterways is the cheapest means of transport, water transport. However, it is the slower compared to other means of transport. Boats and ships are used in the countryside to cross rivers or for fishing in the sea. Okay, so as we got to know that this is the cheapest means of transport, but there is one drawback with this. This is the slowest means of transport. It goes very slowly, it takes a lot of time. Boats and ships are used in the countryside to cross rivers or for fishing in the sea. The boats, you know that people use boats basically for shipping, or if they have to cross seas, they use ships for that. So now ships and boats are also used to carry people and goods in a huge quantity from one country to another. Now there is one very important thing, one very important term is cargo ships. As you know that there are two types of trains. एक में पैसेंजर जाते हैं बेटा और एक में सामान जाता है. In the same manner, there are two types of ships as well. One is called passenger ship and second is called cargo ships. In cargo ships are used for transporting large quantities of goods like oil or bulk goods between countries. These cargo ships beta are huge ships and we send or countries send their stuff as per the demand of different countries or whatever is the requirement. Basically one country send its goods to another country through cargo ships. India has last paragraph of this page. India has a huge number of rivers that are used for water transport. The coasts have a number of important ports, namely Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Kandla, Vishakhapatnam, Cochin, etc. These are few ports. What are ports now? Okay, now what are seaports? Seaport can be defined as a place, as an area that is able to provide shelter to the boats and ships. In simple terms बेटा you can understand that it is like a station. रेलवे स्टेशन होता है, आपका बस स्टैंड होता है, सेम वेज सी पोर्ट होता है, where after sailing ships and boats they come back and rest, and again we can refill them with the stuff or maybe with the people, and they again sail. कोई रिपेयरिंग होती है, कुछ होता है, तो वो सब सी पोर्ट पे होता है. जैसे अगर ट्रेन का होना होता है तो कहाँ होता है? स्टेशन में. बस का होना होता है तो बस स्टैंड पे. सेम वेज सी पोर्ट्स का यूज होता है. These are few water transport, right? And how many major ports we have in India? I showed you in last slide. I told you now you have to keep an eye on did you know blocks. Correct? So we have 187 minor ports in India. And few major and important ports are Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Cochin, etc. This is cargo ship. जिसमें सामान जाता है. You can see lot many boxes are there on the ship. These ships are mainly run by merchant navy. These are passenger ships, जिसमें पैसेंजर्स, जिसमें हम लोग बैठ के जा सकते हैं. अच्छा, जाना कहाँ है? यस. और हमें सामान कहाँ भेजना है? वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. टू अनदर कंट्रीज, राइट? दीज आर पैसेंजर शिप्स, जिसमें पैसेंजर्स, जिसमें हम लोग बैठ के जा सकते हैं. अच्छा, जाना कहाँ है? यस. और हमें सामान कहाँ भेजना है? वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. To other countries, right? Here students, I am giving you one worksheet. This is little bit of drawing is involved in this. I will be sending you this worksheet as a PDF document also, or as a sheet, as a screenshot also after this presentation, so that you can draw these transports in your copy and can color them according to the instructions given on screen, right? Air transport you have to color in orange color, then water transport blue color, and land transport in green color. All the best, make beautiful pictures, correct? Here's a quick recap of whatever we learned and discussed today. First of all, we understood one of the type of transport is water transport. Then we went through the scanned page of our book, page number 111. After that, we understood seaports. What are seaports? And then we understood a difference between cargo ships and passenger ships as well, and what different kind of transport, water transport we could imagine. We discussed about those also. And what is the use of water transport? To carry stuff, to carry luggage, to carry people from one place to another, maybe for going to different countries, or many of the times boats are used for fishing also. Correct? Then we did a small interesting worksheet which was very simple, just to color, recognize the type of transport and color it accordingly. So student, we are finishing our video for today. Till now we have discussed, in last classes also we have discussed roadways, railways, and today waterways. After this beta you are going to get one assessment sheet. Do it in your copy and do all the assessment sheets whatever you are getting on daily basis in every class in single notebook, so that your entire work for this duration is there in one copy. And once you come to school, you have to submit it to me for checking.